Today I'd like to talk about task-based language teaching. You may have heard quite a lot about tasks and how this approach to teaching is being used in different places. What is task-based teaching and how does it differ from other teaching approaches? Well, to understand it, I think we need to sort of rewind a little to look at more traditional approaches to teaching, those that are built around a grammar paradigm where each lesson has a sort of presentation, practice and production phase based on the grammar focus of the lesson. Task-based teaching really goes the other way around. It starts, if you like, with tasks that students do, and from their performance on those tasks, the teacher identifies what language the students need, what language could be developed out of their task performance. So it's almost like the reverse of a typical PPP, presentation, practice, production lesson. Now, the tasks can be different kinds. They could be classroom tasks that we use simply to create the context for communication, information gap tasks, for example. Or they could be real-world tasks, things that students will use the language for outside the classroom. Interviews, checking into a hotel, activities that require students to call upon their language resources and to build communication around the opportunities that arise when they do those tasks. So task-based teaching then uses a curriculum that is built around tasks or activities, and from these activities and tasks, language development takes place. Now, whether that can be used as the sole basis for a language course, I very much doubt. It puts a huge amount of responsibility on the teacher. And also the student's performance is likely to be a little unpredictable depending on what their language proficiency is. So there's a lot of work on the teacher's part to really build language development around the student's task performance. But as a technique, I'm all in favor of it. In fact, I use it a lot. So as a technique, it means that from time to time, you use tasks to assess what students are able to do, to set priorities for teaching, and to build language awareness around students' performance on tasks.